How to enable or disable notifications in the OANDA application using your mobile device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are learning how to turn on and off notification setting in the OANDA mobile app. So let's get started. First of all, launch open the OANDA application on your device and log into your account. Once you're signed in, from the home page, go to the More button at the bottom right corner. Inside the More menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, look for Notification Setting button and tap on it. This will open up your device's notification option. Tap on Notification from the page, and then if you haven't allowed notification for the specific OANDA application, toggle on the button right next to Allow Notification. Now, soon after you do that, you'll receive the in-app notification on your device like trade alerts, market events, or reminders. If you want to switch off or disable notification, then you'll just need to go ahead and turn off the Allow Notification button. So there you have it. That's how you easily enable or disable notification setting in the OANDA application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.